Hello, I'm Baptiste. I am the DOP of this film, and we are going to show you how we used the lights from Dedolight to make our scene called Le Saxophoniste.
Le Saxophoniste is built around two successive lighting atmospheres. Each one is linked to a musical theme played by our saxophonist Simon. All the challenge was about getting those two different lighting atmospheres appear one after another in the same shot, where we could only use the three tungsten heads, the imager attachment and the two soft lights that were made available by Dedolight. The first atmosphere, which is called the lament, needed to look intimate, romantic, as if the musician was on a jazz scene. The second, called warmth, was more joyful, fun. To do that, we made a 5-point lighting. Our key light was a tungsten soft light lighting Simon from above. We added a grid on it to direct the light back on our musician. We used a tungsten light head as a backlight to balance the whole setup, another soft light as a fill light, and we lit the background with the imager attached to another tungsten light head. Finally, we put our last tungsten light head as a kicker to give more dimension to Simon's face. This 5-point lighting allowed us to switch easily from one ambience to another. So, the lament. We wanted to play with the complementarity of the blue with the orange. We turn on our key light, which stays lit the whole scene, and which is now lighting Simon from behind, creating a light crown. Now comes the backlight, orange, which stays in the continuity with the hair light, drawing the silhouette of Simon. And now comes the fill light, deep blue. It sets the atmosphere and creates an intimate impression. Here comes now the kicker, deep purple, which adds depth to Simon's face and closes. We now turn on the imager light, filling the black background and giving consistency to the other lights. For the transition, we turned off all the lights except for the key light, which we moved in front of Simon in order to light his face. It gives him a nice soft tone. Meanwhile, the team changes the gels, the orientation and the focus of all the other lights. Firstly, the backlight is now gelled blue to balance the kicker. We focused this one on the saxophone and gelled it orange. It's a very important light, striking and warmful. In the background, the imager now projects a purple light, corresponding with the atmosphere. And here we are. So, only using a 5-lights kit, we managed to quickly create a simple but versatile lighting setup, building different atmospheres in seconds, like the ones we can see in our saxophonist scene.